how can people have that confidence to take the English that they've been learning for so long and use it?
I think that if they're afraid of something, the best deal to solve it is just to meet your, what you're afraid of, and just separate it for parts. I mean, maybe if you have like something big, just separate it for 10 parts and start with like 1, then goes to 2, after goes to 3. And when you solve the problems, like first 2 or 3, you understand that it's easy. You can really decide the others, and it's not really dangerous. So you just need to move, start moving, like to solve the problems, like the first 1, 2, 3, and after, if you maybe will find any kind of mentor, the people who takes your hand and maybe show how they solve them, these problems, it will be easier for you next time to do it by yourself, right? So this way, it could be 2 ways, I think. So the first, you just go in small steps by yourself, or you find the person who can help you, show you the way, and after you can do it by yourself as well. That's it. I think so.
That's a great strategy. So chunking things down, taking chunks, and 1 chunk at a time, right?
Yes.
And then finding someone who can help you go faster or help you do it better.
Yeah, and you will find your confidence.
Because you'll have so much preparation.
Yes, of course, because only preparations give you opportunity to get stuff like skills, these habits, which after goes to your confidence. So only step by step and feel your confidence, you'll solve a lot of different problems, not only with English language, maybe with your business, maybe with your family or with your kids, whatever.
So confidence is really important in everything we do.
Yeah, sure. And you know what confidence is? Do you know? It's when you really think all you have, like maybe knowledge, maybe money, maybe connections, is enough for you to reach your goal. And if you feel unconfident, that means that your resources is not enough. They are small to reach this goal. You understand?
Yeah, you don't have enough assets.
Right.
Yeah.
So, and the one more word, like it's called like self-confidence. It means that you think that you have a lot of resources, that a lot of how you spell it? Yeah, assets. But it's really not enough for you to reach this goal. So it's very important for you to be to have just confidence and going step by step. That's yeah. So this way you won't lose. No way. I mean, this way.
It's impossible to lose.
Yes, impossible to lose.
There's no way that you can lose. I got it.